Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll be talking to you about the Honeywell Home Wireless Burglar Alarm Kit. This kit is really simple to install as it requires no difficult wiring. It's both compact and portable, meaning that if you move home, you can take the kit with you. It uses a system called Secure Active Link technology, which ensures minimal disturbance, but also great security against external interference. It comes with an easy-to-use control panel with 3 separate alarm zones and can be programmed with your code so any member of the family can turn it on and off. You can part set the alarm so the upstairs can remain unset when you are sleeping, while your downstairs could be alarmed at night to protect from intruders. There is an event log and a test mode to make sure that all is working correctly, and all items have an anti-tamper alert. The kit even comes with 2 RFID tags for easy alarming and unsetting the system. Just unpack the boxes, install batteries into all the modules and follow the easy to read instructions. All you need to do is fix the external alarm box to a wall and set the room sensors into the corners of the rooms you want to cover. And with a 12-meter range, these sensors are great for even the largest domestic rooms. They can be placed up to 200 meters away from the module, making it great security coverage for a shed or garage. You can fit the contact sensors to doors or windows for additional security. The kit comes with everything required, including batteries, and can be expanded with additional sensors if required. We believe this is a great value solution to securing your home. So there we have it, the Honeywell Home Wireless Burglar Alarm Kit. Spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.